If you're experiencing a verification pending status on MoneyLion, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from MoneyLion. They may have sent you a verification request or additional information needed to complete your account setup. Step 2. Verify your identity. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. If your verification is still pending, reach out to MoneyLion's customer support. Use the in-app chat feature or call the support line to inquire about the status of your verification and any additional steps you may need to take. Step 4. Review account information. Double check that all your account information is accurate and up to date. Incorrect details can delay the verification process, so ensure your name, address, and other personal information are correct. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting any necessary documents or corrections, allow some time for MoneyLion to process your information. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation that your verification has been completed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on MoneyLion quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance.